Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. I hope you people are following many of the instruction I have given you in many of my videos specially. And please do not neglect, you have to be dividing time equally, importance to GS papers, then optional papers, then ODI and English language papers. Because I have created many playlist for ODI and English paper, it is going to be very much beneficial. Do watch, do check that out. It will be beneficial to you especially. Do not neglect the language papers. If you will fail in the language papers, you will not, all your papers will not be evaluated. And before I start giving you answer about many of the questions or comment, I would say that many of the new YouTube subscribers, I have already started a dedicated main crash course, dedicated test series come crash course, and 5 subjects are generally covered in our test series crash course. Then GS1, GS2 essay paper. Every Sunday I discuss one particular essay, give the framework. Then ODI and English paper. If you are interested, the schedule is there in our description box. If you are interested, it will hardly cost you 7,500 bucks. And if you are interested, then send me, hi, I am interested in your crash course, main crash course, in my email address abishoik27@gmail.com. You can also email me on my email address askabacademy@gmail.com. These 2 emails will belong to me and I will get your email. Many of you are asking, sir, how to join your crash course. So this is the way. You can send me email, you can do the payment, and you will be added to the course group where all course previously uploaded course related material, strategies, everything you will be getting, and it will be on your a different level of preparation. I am telling you, if you will join, we will be also providing model answers to our test series. It will be totally a unique level, you can say, the model answers, which you can apply that directly on your OPSC main answers. Not only the test series will help you in your GS paper, I am also guiding overall view about optional too. It is going to be beneficial to all of you. Then many of you have asked me, commenting me, sending email, all this, that when the OPSC will declare main prelim result. I personally think this result is expected within 8 to 10 days. I am telling you, OPSC will be declaring the result either in this particular weekend or in the first week of November. It is expected. It is expected. It is likely to come. So we do not know when the OPSC will, but there is a hard hint that within next 8 to 10 days the result is going to be published in OPSC website. Then another question many of you are asking, when the OPSC 2020 mains is going to take place. As per my prediction, in December, I have changed the prediction because of some kind of an input that I received from one of my sources, that 60% chances are there. 60% chances are there that before 7 Jan 2022, it is UPSC main examination. UPSC main examination start from 7 January to 16 January. So OPSC might conduct OPSC 2020 main examination before 7 Jan, or it can schedule after 18 or 20 Jan to last week of February, and there is a chances of 40% chance are there. If OPSC decide no, we will be conducting the test in January, they will be conducting somewhere in January last to February. And there are so many people who are saying there is a panchayat election. I personal, in my particular point of view, I may be wrong too, that there is panchayat election is there, they cannot schedule. I personally believe this main examination will be only, you can say, urban centric. Only few places like Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Sambalpur, Baleshwar, Raulkela, all these only few urban centers are there, and it is not like it will be spreading to so many schools and colleges. It will be limited to a few schools and colleges. So it will not be a big task for OPSC to handle this particular duration during Panchayat election. Panchayat election is, I personally feel it is of different, you can say, direction. Many machinery will be involved in that, but I personally do not believe it will be hampering. It will be hampering because they will be scheduling somewhere. I may be wrong too. I am not saying I am totally totally correct in saying this. They may, if that doesn't happen, they may shift it to March. I am not saying that, but chances are there that in Panchayat election may take place in that particular time, and same way the OPSC main examination might be conducted during that particular duration. We cannot deny that. So I hope this particular doubts are clear. I hope you people will not be asking so much of a comment or email or phone call, all this about the expected OPSC prelim 2020 main result expected date and expected date for OPSC 2020 mains. This is my prediction. They are likely to conduct it in December if the result will be out within 8 to 10 days. If not, then they will definitely schedule it after UPSC main examination, that is post 16 January 2022. They will be scheduling it. I hope things are clear. If you people are interested to join the test series, if you are confident enough, without wasting time, do join our mains crash course, and it will hardly cost you 7,500. Many serious aspirants who are confident that they are clearing the OPSC prelim examination with handsome margin, they have already joined and they have already started answer writing. I have already given personalized feedback to them. So you just join as soon as possible. You can send me email abishoi27@gmail.com, or you can also send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Happy learning.